And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add clickable chapters automatically with AI in your YouTube. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So you can add clickable chapters automatically to your YouTube videos by enabling the allow automatic chapters and key moments setting in YouTube Studio. Alternatively, you can also use a third-party AI tool to generate chapters from your video's transcript or URL. So the first method is to use YouTube's built-in AI. This is the simplest way, and you can simply sign in into your YouTube Studio, go to the content, and click the video by which you want to edit by clicking on the thumbnail. Now once you have done this, you can simply tap on the show more option when it arrives, and now under the automatic chapter, simply check the box of it and give it permission and click the save button, and you're all set. Now you can also use a third-party AI tool. You can use different kind of tools like Descript, Lenos, Gling.ai, or VideoTap. So you can use these tools and simply generate the clickable chapters and simply copy it and paste it on your video. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.